My colleague, Mr. Ishwar Kendre, Mr. Raj Chengappa, my colleagues, Mr. Punana and Mr. Mantar Gowda, who is in thick of forest, representing to assembly where you all love Kurg. They also have been here. Lot of great personality who love Bangalore have come here to contribute their big strength to Bangalore and guide Karnataka and the government. First, I would like to thank all of you for coming to Bangalore. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to India Group today. You have been a pioneer to help all sections of the society. I have been watching India Today from my younger days. You have a big history and a lot of ethical and moral values. So many media groups have changed in their strategy, but I'm sure India Group has still maintained the credibility, loyalty to the nature, loyal to the country, and that has been, I could see. Anyway, you are the voice of the nature today. You are the voice of the society. You are the voice of the environment. So you have made us to sit here. I could see in various occasions in your magazines and print media and electronic media also. Even a lot of young children look at you and your debates which is going on. And the businessmen who are the backbone of the society, who create more employment also, have been looking that you take a very neutral stand. And this is an institution which has not been backed by political linked business group. So I would like to thank you. So I decided, when I was just avoiding various groups, I don't want to tell that. But since this subject was very close to my heart, though we were very busy, I thought that I will join here. Today you give us some tribal dance before we entered. That is nature. We all love nature. Bangalore has been called a garden city earlier. Now all of us hesitate to call, but I have also traveled all over the country. Even I have traveled different parts of the country, but still Bangalore is better than other country in various aspects. You can't match culture of Bangalore, weather of Bangalore or Karnataka to any place in India. That's, I can take a bet on this. I can discuss on this. Not that I'm a Bangalore minister. I'm representing Karnataka being a minister here. But as a Karnataka and as a Bangalorean, still we can't avoid the population. I was the urban development minister about 20 years back, 24 years, 25 years back. The population was 70 lakhs. Now it is 1.4 crores. 1.1 lakh vehicles are traveling in Bangalore. I was just few days in Delhi. 1.1 crore. I was just in Delhi. Delhi traffic is not less than Bangalore. It is more than Bangalore. But the media is, because India is, Bangalore is seen from the world through, India is seen through Bangalore because of the IT, the startups, the medical hub, the quality of education, whatnot. As EV started, on electronic EV, we are the policy makers. On various issues, we are number one. We are having a global investors meet from 11th to 14th. We have target about some 10 lakh crores for the investment. But I could see that. I was just discussing with my friends yesterday. I think 60-70% of the finance is coming on renewable energy. You know that in Bangalore, in Karnataka, when I was looking after power, Delhi was shocked to see how I could make out this concept between the sun and the soil. How sun can be exploited. That is the nature. Today in all our houses, I think 15, 20 years back I could see in a small glass of a small empty glass, people used to keep a money plant in it. I think I hope you remember. Where you don't have garden, but still you want to see green. Now those days also have gone. Now we are trying to place an artificial plants. We are with nature. We would like to be with nature. Spaces have come down. All of are going taller. We can't expand. Rivers can't. You can't bring more water. If you create more green environment, then only you can have more river, more water. So this is what you have to look at. Today you have called me to tell what Bangalore is, what Bangalore can, what this environment can be created. Today I could see a lot of various experts on various issues who have been joining here. When I took over the president of the Congress party, my Mr. Ishwar Khandre was my working president. When we took over, I said one thing: joining together is the beginning. Thinking together is the progress. Working together is the success. I'm sure today you all have joined. I could see various subjects. Lot of discussions will be taking place on this balancing of ecology and about how this on wildlife, on issues, how environment can be, what is the future, man-animal conflict, lot of issues which will be discussed. But I want you to give a very clear picture, a heartfelt picture, looking at the economic condition of the state. You can suggest anything, but whether those things can be implemented or not is important. Financial section is important. Now we can give a lot of suggestions. Suggestions are very easy. Coming into practicality is very difficult. So I'm sure we are finding very difficult, but still I'm trying to tell, I can't change overnight. Bangalore is not a well-planned city like New Delhi or Chandigarh or anything. It is a old city. You are not like Chennai. It did not have widened roads, though it had its own this one. Apart from last 40, 50 years, though Kempegowda had a very big vision, but still we are trying to make it up. Last 1.5 years, still I could not do anything which comes on the ground. Though I have lot of plan, looking at how I can make a traffic problem sort out. Solid waste management issue is there. Water issue is there. Just now with lot of difficulty, I could see that this 5th stage of water could come. Last summer we faced lot of problem. Now again I am planning again for the 6th stage, how we can bring water, Kaveri water back to Bangalore. Recently, last 10, 12 years, we could not see that any water flown in out of Etinole. But again, with my political will and with the support of my colleague, where we had a lot of forest problems, we could sort out, and I am just trying to bring water from Etinole out. Just only for 3 months, 24 TMC of water will be brought. Again, as soon as I took over this portfolio, I added 6 more TMC of water to Bangalore. Somehow readjusted the entire system, because I know that Bangalore, without water, you can't do anything. So again, we are just looking at the population. You can't stop people coming to Bangalore. Why people come to cities? It is only for education and employment. Only these 2 things are there, and the health care. Now any government has to look at how you can stop these people. That is why I decided, I had a big discussion with my colleagues and my party. We should see that we should have 2,000 schools from the CSR, not from the government. Because more than 8,000 crores CSR funds is being collected in Bangalore itself. They are looking at other different parts, giving to various social organizations, doing something and all. It is all wasteful. So I decided, I have requested, and a committee has been set under my leadership, and some of my ministers are there. We want 2,000 schools, not in towns, not in city, not in district. We want in the panchayat level, where a public school on the CBSE or ICSE model will be there at the panchayat level. When schools are there at the panchayat level, the population, any parent, you have a staff, you have a driver, you have a household staff. Our desire is to see that the children will be highly educated than what you are or what we are. So the parents' desire is to see that they will have a good quality education. I came to Bangalore because of education. I did not come for anything. Only for education, my parents put me there. I never go back. Not even once a year I go back to my village. This is the situation for everyone. Lot of judges were discussing on the High Court to go to Gulbarga, go to Dharwad. We had a big debate with all these judges. None of the lawyers who have come from outside Bangalore, who have come to Bangalore, they didn't want to go back to Gulbarga or didn't want to go back to Dharwad. Even Mr. Here, our Purana is here. His father, he never went back. He is from Coorg. Only to represent, he has gone there now. His office is here, he is here only. I am telling the example. So everyone wants Kaveri water, everyone wants this culture, everyone wants their good life and a lot of things are there. But anyway, we have to protect. See, we look at nature, we are looking at artificial greenery. We look at environment, we want clean air. How Delhi is suffering. But still, we have to, with all your support, I am telling you, I know the traffic problem, what we are facing. Solid waste management. I am just trying to, there is a big lobby in these issues. I am telling a lot of courts interference are there on various tenders we took place. I wanted to see that more than 10 power plants we gave on waste to solid waste management to generate power with the solid waste management. All 10, 11 have failed, I am telling you. Not even a single has been successful. When I was in power minister, we gave, okay, take some, we'll give good price, good PPA. None of them could succeed. So I have traveled to Hyderabad, I have seen in Chennai, I have seen in Delhi. Now I have decided only the CNG is only the option. And I have identified 4 places in Bangalore with 100 acres of land which is around. Lot of complications are there. But still, I have not been able to successful. But my planning is ready on that issue. What may come, I have decided. I know that water and underground water. See, last year, 7,000 borewells dried in Bangalore. 7,000 borewells. Lot of difficulty of this. There was a big gang going on with this water tankers. They were collecting 2,000 rupees instead of 400, 500 rupees. Now then I tried to make a cap on that. Now I am trying to fill all those tanks, rejuvenating it, keeping it, see that at least water table should be their alternative for Bangalore. So a lot of my friends also have advised, who are sitting, some of them have advised on various development. We are just looking at. So keeping at nature is important. Today I would like to request all of you to advise us in a very professional way, which we can implement. We are open. Though we have a lot of things, we have been planning on this to change the image of Bangalore. We know a lot of flyovers have to come. Metro, mobility issue, we are adding up metro, investing a lot of this one, flyovers, more than 130 kilometers of flyovers we are adding. I have just planned to spend almost 80 to 1 lakh crore, especially on urban development in Bangalore. I don't want to discuss. My Chief Minister was kind enough, almost 50,000 crores he has agreed to be a government guarantee to take a lot of loans, especially on this tunnel, on this water issue, on this flyover, on this peripheral ring road. But still we have to, and lot of documentation, these Kata issues, lot of things are there. It is not a small, easy job. But I have taken this Bangalore development portfolio and irrigation portfolio on passion. I have to contribute something to Bangalore. I am from this Bangalore district. I am a part of this Kempegowda clad which is there. So I should, if I never contribute something to Bangalore after Krishna, Mr. Kempegowda built Bangalore. Kengalam built Vidhan Soda. Krishna brought Bangalore to the international map. I thought that I should also contribute something to Bangalore. That is why I have taken this responsibility. So we are already linking and thinking of interlinking the water issue, see that more greenery, more forest. We are trying to fill many tanks in the state, not only one, many stacks, more than 1,600 tanks we are trying to fill. It may be a small tank, a big tank. My budget is only about 21,000 was there. Now it is 16,000 on irrigation. When taking the capital works, it adds up to only 6,000 crores. In that we have to do. Earlier government with lot of, including all sections of government, we have given, the budget is only 16,000 crores. We have given 1 crore, 1 lakh, 10,000 crores works. The contractors finds 5 years, 4 years, 3 years to get back his money. Lot of issues are. But still Bangalore is Karnataka is a well-disciplined state. After Siddaramaiah took over, he is trying to, there is lot of pressure for him. But now we also took a very bold decision to see that after the price rise, somehow we wanted to help a common man. Gas price was very high, petrol, diesel was very high. They were not able to, salaries could not increase. We took up a very bold decision to see that 56,000 crores we give to a common man so that at least he lived happily. He can somehow, we know that it is a different. All our MLAs may fight that development. Development is going on. Every assembly segment we are giving about 200 to 250 crores every year for these activities. Anyway, I do not take to deviate much, but please guide us today. Apart from me giving this inaugural speech or opening this, I want your final book so that it should be a big, how we believe our constitution keeping us, so that your India conclave today, whatever you suggest, whatever you discuss, whatever you elaborate, let us keep it at, I think my officers also, especially in the Forest and Environment Department, very capable, competent officers there. Last 20, 25 years, the things was different. Now they have changed. No, they never allow even our cattle to enter the forest. Forest encroaching. That they have tried to maintain, make it very strong. They have kept the balance. Though Karnataka is the second largest state after Rajasthan, which has a big land pool, but still we have to try more agriculture facilities, more greenery, better the nature. More, I think, in India, this Bangalore is growing well on floriculture and agriculture, a lot of things. Earlier, there was days when we used to import a lot of food commodities from outside the India, but now we are exporting. Bangalore is exporting. We are exporting fruits. We are that means green revolution is taking a very big shape. When more the greener, more the bigger the environment. I am sure today you will all look at all these aspects. You please guide us. We are very open to it. Nothing is closed to us. We are ready to take any type of suggestion which can be implemented. I wish you all the best, especially India Group. I believe in Panipat, I had gone for a Bharat Jodo Yatra. One of your reporters asked me on the election. I said, you noted 136. So boldly you took up whatever I announced, you announced it. Now we are on there. I think with all your support and blessings, let us continue to work together. I am sure we will change Bangalore, not immediately. It takes some time. I need your blessings. Thank you.